Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal prepaid card. First, let's get acquainted with this convenient financial tool. It functions much like a debit card, allowing you to spend only the money you've loaded onto it. To begin, you'll need to activate your card, which is a quick process you can complete online or by calling the number provided. Once activated, you're ready to load funds and start making purchases securely, both online and in stores. Activating your PayPal prepaid card is simple. Visit the website listed on your card or call the customer service number. Once activated, you can load funds in several ways. Direct deposit is a popular option, allowing you to receive your paychecks directly onto the card. You can also add cash at thousands of retail locations, though a fee of up to $4.95 may apply per transaction. Always check your cardholder agreement for specific details on loading limits and fees. 1389. Using your PayPal prepaid card for purchases is straightforward. Simply swipe or insert your card at point-of-sale terminals, or enter the card details for online shopping, just like any other MasterCard. To manage your funds effectively, regularly check your balance and transaction history. You can do this conveniently through your online account or the mobile app. Consider setting up alerts for low balances or large transactions to maintain control over your spending and ensure financial security. 5. The PayPal prepaid card offers several advantages. It provides a secure way to manage your money, as you can only spend what you've loaded, reducing fraud risk. There's no credit check required, making it an accessible option for many. Always review your cardholder agreement carefully to understand all terms, conditions, and fees, such as a potential monthly fee of $4.95. This ensures you get the most out of your card and avoid any surprises. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.